Do you want to know how to register your TNT SIM card? Watch this video until the end. Hi, welcome to Epinoid channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to register your TNT SIM card online. To register, open your computer or mobile phone browser. For TNT subscribers, type this in the browser, smart.com.ph/simreg. You will be directed to Smart official homepage. On the official website, input your TNT mobile number. After inputting your number, click the box beside the terms and conditions and then click the Send OTP button. You will receive the OTP code from your mobile number. Input the code in the box. After inputting, click the Verify OTP button. Your mobile number was successfully verified. Click the OK button to proceed with the registration. Input your basic details in the boxes. Then upload your valid ID and selfie. Input your basic details in the boxes. Click the Next button to proceed. Input your address in the boxes. Click the Next button to proceed. Double-check the information before proceeding. Click the box beside the terms and conditions and then click the Next button. Congratulations! You have successfully registered your TNT SIM card online. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Epinoid Tutorial TV now.